Hello, this is Mickey. Welcome to HTML tutorial series part 1. This series will talk about the introduction to HTML, the syntax, some elements, and attribute. This is a basic tutorial. As we continue with the series, you will see more advanced features in HTML. So HTML stands for Hypertext Markup Language, and it's the standard markup for a web page. The syntax, the different parts of the user interface be customized using the HTML. Uh, the markup language consists of tags, and it's closed with the anchor bracket. So both the texts are paired to indicate that start and end text pink marked up. You would see that in the elements a lot. So the elements tag for everything. So basically means that everything has a tag. So like here we have header one, my head which is just my first heading, and you could go up to 6 headings. And another element might be like paragraphs. Here's an example, my first paragraph. And if you ever want a new line, you just put PR. We will do an example to show some of these. And then to attribute, just additional information about the element. So, for example, we're trying to say go over to Google, so we put the link to google.com. Like, so I go. These ones are more like hands-on, so that's why the presentations are small. So you would see now my code. So I will copy the first one. So this one would say, okay, by first the heading, it's there, and then we can add another one. Saying heading 2 and say my second heading, and then we can add let's keep it the same right now. So then we could say add my first paragraph the plague, then maybe we'll add our second paragraph here at the plague, and then we'll have our third paragraph, and we'll add here, actually, we'll add here even our third heading. So, here we use the anchor brackets, like I said before. So this would be H1 as heading 1, and then we like what the heading will be, and then we close the bracket. Same with the second one. For the third one, so then we start and we're like, okay, let's add a paragraph. Let's text. And then we click, and then we'll add another paragraph to show the line in its space, and then the third heading, and then the third paragraph. All of them, except for break, will have a closing one. And then we're like, okay, in the third paragraph, let's add something like that, with the A value. So an attribute, added a link to google.com, and then visit google.com. Um, so let's learn it. So when you learn this, you see that here's the first heading, then the second heading, then here's the first paragraph, the space, and then second, and then space, the third paragraph, and then the widget google.com, which will take you to google.com. If I go back, you can see how the headings are different and it gets smaller in each one. If you right click and inspect, you can also see the code over here. Uh, that's all for this video. In the next one, we will talk more about the different types of element. Thank you.